Are you a homeowner, a potential seller, and you've been wondering how you can leverage the equity in your current home? Well, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Natasha Carroll, your local Houston, Texas realtor and relocation expert. Homeownership brings numerous advantages, and one of the key benefits is the potential to build home equity over time. Home equity is the difference between the market value of your home and the outstanding balance on your mortgage. As a seller, you have the opportunity to leverage this equity to your advantage. In this video today, we'll explore several ways sellers can use their home equity to achieve their financial goals. One is upgrade or renovate. One popular way sellers can utilize their home equity is by investing it back into their current property. By using the equity to fund upgrades or renovations, sellers can enhance their home's value and potentially command a higher selling price in the future. Whether it's a kitchen remodel, bathroom upgrade, or improving the curb appeal, investing in your home can be a wise choice to maximize returns. Down payment for a new property. Sellers looking to move into a new home can use their home equity as their down payment. The equity can serve as a substantial contribution towards the purchase of your new property, reducing the need for a larger mortgage and potentially securing better terms and interest rates. This option can make the transition to a new home more affordable and financially feasible. Debt consolidation. That's another way you can use your equity. Debt consolidation is another strategy that sellers consider. By using the home equity, sellers can pay off high interest rate debts such as credit card balances or personal loans. Consolidating debt through a home equity loan or a line of credit can offer lower interest rates, potentially saving sellers significant amount of money in interest payments. You can use it to invest in real estate. For those interested in the investment market, using a home equity can be an excellent way to finance an additional property acquisition. Sellers can tap into their home equity to secure funds for a down payment on an investment property or fund renovations or repairs on a property that they intend to flip or possibly rent out. This strategy allows sellers to diversify their investment portfolio and potentially generate additional income. You can also use your equity for retirement planning. Home equity can play a crucial role in retirement planning. Sellers who have built substantial equity in their homes can consider downsizing or selling their current property and purchasing a smaller one. That's more affordable. The proceeds from that sale can be used to supplement retirement savings, pay off debts, or invest in income generating assets, providing financial security during your retirement. As a homeowner preparing to sell, it's essential to recognize the potential power of your home equity. Whether you choose to reinvest in your property, you can use it as a down payment on a new home, you can consolidate your debt, invest in real estate, or plan for retirement. Leveraging your home equity can open doors to numerous financial opportunities. It's advisable, of course, to consult with a real estate professional and/or your financial planner to understand the options that are available and make informed decisions that align with your goal and your specific circumstances. If this information was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any of our weekly real estate content.